There's a big question right now is, can East Tennessee deliver to become an epicenter for nuclear energy across the country? And what role will the lab play in that?
Oh, it's such an easy question. Absolutely, yes. We have all of the pieces sitting here in East Tennessee to pull this together in a way that no other part of the country has. We understand nuclear. It's been part of what we've done here since nuclear was invented. And the fact that we can bring that all together, where it's not just the companies who are trying to design and build reactors, it's all the supply chain that feeds into that. It's the technology that goes into the fuel supply. It's the companies who are manufacturing the fuel supply. It's the workforce. It's all here.
What's unique about ORNL is the combination of fundamental knowledge, the nuclear facilities that allow us to explore this, to validate theories, the computational pieces, and then also the people.
Oak Ridge is unique in the National Lab Complex in having kind of all the pieces that you need, the capability, an extra piece in the plasma physics, the material science, the tritium breeding, the enabling technologies.
ORNL is providing the science behind all of the nuclear fuel cycles. We're looking to help not only solve problems that come up as demonstrations of new reactors come out, we want to look at different materials for these advanced reactors as well.
We have the interest, we have the know-how, we have the legacy to push nuclear science, both in fission and in fusion, sort of into the next generation.
It's the fact that we're bringing people together. It's those chance conversations where you run into somebody, what are you working on? Is there anything the lab can do to help? Really excited about the way you're going. It's happening thousands and thousands and thousands of times over today and tomorrow. Having everybody here, including those students, to make those connections, to have those conversations is really what today is about, what this conference is about.